If you're using Namecheap shared hosting, this video will show you exactly how to install your free Namecheap SSL certificate the easy way. We'll go step by step so you can secure your main domain and subdomains after they've been pointed to Namecheap hosting. This is an important setup for making your website show the padlock icon, improve trust, and load over HTTPS. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple hosting and website guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside, go to your hosting list. This is where all of your hosting services are listed in one place. Find the hosting plan connected to your domain and click Go to cPanel. cPanel is where you'll manage the tools needed to install the SSL certificate. Before moving on, make sure your domain is actually connected to your Namecheap hosting account. If your domain is not pointed correctly, the SSL installation may not work properly. Your domain and any subdomains should already be pointed to the hosting account before you try to install the certificate. Now, inside cPanel, scroll down until you find the section labeled Exclusive for Namecheap Customers. Under that area, click Namecheap SSL. This is the built-in SSL tool for Namecheap shared hosting customers, and it makes the process much easier than manual certificate setup. If prompted, sign in again with your Namecheap account so the system can verify your hosting access. After that, you should see a list of domains available for SSL installation. Look for the domain you want to secure, then click Install next to it. If you have a main domain and subdomains connected, be sure you're selecting the correct one you want to protect. Once you click Install, Namecheap will begin provisioning the certificate. At this stage, the setup is usually automatic, so you don't need to upload anything manually or copy certificate files. Just wait while the system processes the request. In many cases, the SSL will be installed within 30 to 60 minutes, although sometimes it can take a little longer depending on propagation and server timing. So if you don't see it instantly, don't worry. Give it some time and check back later. After the installation finishes, open a new browser tab and type in your secure URL, like https://yourdomain.com. Make sure you use HTTPs, not just HTTP. When the certificate is active, you should see the padlock icon in the browser address bar. That padlock is your confirmation that the SSL is working correctly and your site is now using a secure connection. If you want to double check, click the padlock and view the certificate information to confirm it's issued properly. And that's it, you've successfully installed your free Namecheap SSL certificate on shared hosting. Your website is now more secure and visitors can browse with HTTPS enabled. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next hosting tutorial. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.